The train was at 4 p.m. and reached Geneva at 7:30 a.m., then by bus to Annecy on the 26th of April in the morning. The pristine Lac d'Annecy, one of the largest lakes in France, sits among snow-capped mountains and is known as the cleanest lake in Europe. We took a boat cruise in Lake Annecy with beautiful surroundings, snow-capped mountains and cozy hillside villages. After the cruise we went to a restaurant for lunch and then went to Annecy train station and took an afternoon train to Colmar. We reached Colmar by around 8 p.m. and went to our hotel Colmar. Then we went to Unterlinden Museum by bus. Here we enjoyed an hour-long ride through the old part of the city in the two toy trains, once in the white one and another time in the green one, even though both follow the same route. Colmar is the third largest commune in the Alsace region in the northeastern France. The city is renowned for its well-preserved old town, architecture and museums. Walking in its streets is like visiting a movie set with hundreds of century-old half-timbered houses and lovely canals. The romantic and world-famous district of Little Venice deserves a special mention. We had our coffee break at Couvert Market near Little Venice. Then we went to Colmar Market for our lunch. Then we returned to our hotel. After breakfast, we took a train in the morning to Bordeaux. After breakfast, we took a train in the morning to Bordeaux. Our train passed through beautiful vineyards and a number of cities, and we reached Bordeaux by evening. We went to our Hotel Ibis Budget Bordeaux Center. We walked down to the tram stop in front of Gare Saint-Jean, took a tram to Concon's and visited Monument aux Girondins. Bordeaux, hub of the famed wine-growing region, is a port city on the Garonne River in southwestern France. It's known for its Gothic Cathédrale Saint-André, 18th to 19th century mansions and notable art museums. Public gardens line the curving river quays. We then took a city bus tour by Bordeaux Visiotor. After the city tour, we got down at Place de la Bourse. The Grand Place de la Bourse, centered on the Three Graces fountain, overlooks the Mirevar d'Or reflecting pool. It is one of the finest unspoilt 18th century cityscapes in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We enjoyed the fountains throwing mist instead of water, creating a dream-like scene. Later we returned to our hotel for the night. After sumptuous breakfast, we went to Bordeaux station for our journey to Nice. We reached Nice in the evening and went to our Hotel Trocadero.